Hey everybody, let's use Desmos to check to make sure that 45 and negative 35 are solutions to that, oh my gosh, absolute value equation. I wonder how it's done. All right, let's see if this is my answer. So I'm going to go over here and type it out. I need my fraction bar first, so I'm going to hit the divided by. There you are. I have to put my absolute value on top. So it's tempting to put A, but don't. You must use X. So X minus 5, close the absolute value. All of that's going to be over 8. And now I have to move over and type out equals 5. Now, I don't see anything. I don't see anything at all. Did I do it wrong? No. But when I do absolute value problems, I'm supposed to see two answers. So let me zoom out. And let me zoom out. Ooh, and let me zoom out. Ooh, so I have two numbers. Now I'm supposed to check to see if those numbers are negative 35 and 45. So let me look at this negative one. Let me zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Ooh, and it goes right through negative 35. So one of my lines goes through negative 35, which means x equals negative 35 is an option. Let's go over to the other guy that's supposed to be 45, going, and look at that. My line goes right through 45. So the answers that I stole from the internet, are they correct? Absolutely. And the way that you could check is by typing it in your Desmos calculator, see where your vertical lines go, and that gives me exactly what I need, baby. Oh, wow. Good thing I zoomed out a bunch of times. And those vertical lines go right through negative 35 and 45, thus indicating that the answer is 45 and negative 35. Can't forget to use X instead of A. Can't forget. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.